Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back in Tokyo and we have got a different hotel this time. We are staying a little bit closer to the Ahikabara area in Ueno. So I'm going to give you a quick tour here of our hotel room. We are staying at Ichi Hotel. Ichi Hotel Ueno. So let me show you real quick here. We'll start right here by the door. First thing you need to note is make sure you put your room key in here. Ichi Hotel says here. Put that in there, you'll be good to go. Full length mirror here, hello. And then right here is your thermostat for the room. So you can adjust that. And then this is gonna be your light switches for the bathroom. So thankfully this bathroom, the light does not come on automatically. So we'll open that and this is on and off, you can see that. And this one is for the fan in the bathroom. So it's got a high and low on there, did Google Lens, and that appears to be what it is. So come in here to the bathroom. This is a pretty nice bathroom right here. It's kind of a marriage between the east and the west, I think. So it's got a washlet, which has the little panel right here. You've got your rear and front wash and the pressure higher or lower. The deodorizer, you can turn that on or off. It's not too overly intensive. It does kind of have some instructions here. It does have the instructions in a variety of languages. It looks like Korean, Japanese, and English, maybe Chinese, I can't tell. Anyways, so that's that. So lots of languages there, and then you've got a nice little sink area. There's not a ton of space to put stuff, so we'll probably have to utilize this area here, or we could use maybe even this little rack area here. We'll make it work, no big deal. And then in here, you've got this nice kind of 3/4 size tub. It looks like if I sat in there, I'm 5'4", I just might be able to stretch my legs out sitting in there, possibly, pretty close to it. And then nice enough is that there is a curtain, ta-da, which will be very nice. Several of the bathrooms we've had here in Japan have been very different. So there's also the clothing line here, which we can bring across and put there and hang some clothes here. But there is a laundry room here in the hotel. So we can go down to the second floor and do laundry down there if we want, which we probably will because we're gonna be staying here for a couple of weeks. So we are gonna have laundry, and if we don't have to do it in the sink, then we don't. Other amenities included here, we've got body soap and shampoo and conditioner there. And there are instructions again here for how to operate this, but I think we've mastered it by now. So I think we're good to go on that. So that looks pretty good. That's a pretty nice sized bathroom. I think we're gonna be very glad to have that. And this is the hairdryer here hanging on the door. Okay, let's take a look at the rest of the room here real quick. Right here is basically what you would call the closet area. Not much of one, but here it is. And then a little shoe rack here with slippers. So you don't normally wear your shoes in the hotel room. Look at this bed. It's basically a king size bed, I think, or pretty close to it if it's not, which is fabulous. And then right here, we've got electrical outlet and a USB, so that'll be very nice. And then, as with many hotel rooms, ta-da, we get pajamas, which would be very fun to try out always. This rack here, we would pull it up and bring the flaps in, and we can set luggage or maybe use it as like a dresser type thing. TV looks pretty nice. And then, I don't know if this is a humidifier, dehumidifier, both, but we don't need either, so that's off. We've got a little fridge here as well. Got all kinds of space in there. It looks like it's nice and deep, and then a spot here for little things too. So that'll be really nice. This desk area is awesome. And you got a nice comfortable chair, it looks like here. So that'll be great to have that space. They also provide you with some charging cables, which is kind of cool as well, because there are some places over here for charging electrical items. And then down here, we've got a little safe, and we've got a kettle and some coffee cups. So I think we're in good shape. we're gonna get settled in here and probably head out and walk around. We're not that far. I think it's probably about a 15-20 minute walk to Ahikabara proper from here. So we're gonna try that out and see what that area is like. And yeah, just kind of get settled in, go grab a few goodies to throw in the fridge, and we'll be good to go. Make sure to stay tuned here to the channel to follow along with us on this particular trip to Tokyo. And if you have any questions, leave those below in the comments. We'll see you soon.